I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a line for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I've been stuck.
What's going on, guys? Crypto Connect coming at you with another video today. Today we're going to look at Bitcoin and Kaspa. All right, so let's go ahead and dive right in. Look at Bitcoin versus Tether chart first. Okay, so first of all, guys, you can see that we got this triangle pattern here on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, right? Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and be honest with you. We're looking somewhat bearish. Okay, we're looking somewhat bearish. First of all, if we look at the MACD, you see that we had a bearish cross, and we are literally the structure is moving downward, right? All right. Also, you can see that in this triangle pattern, you see that we have a bearish fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. Okay, so we can start moving all the way down here towards the $89,000-$90,000 level. Okay, all right, now for this triangle pattern though, if we do break out, if we happen to break out, let's say hold on a minute, let's go to the 15-minute chart for a second. So if we go, yeah guys, you can see I had a couple trades here today, but you can see that we look like we could come down to the $103,000 level and retest that level. All right, if we do not bounce off of that level, guys, it's likely that we could start moving down to the $90,000. All right, now if we hold the $90,000 level, that's another thing. All right, and if we move back up and we have a breakout, then our bullish scenario is the $140,000 Bitcoin. Right, bearish scenario, if we break out to the downside, 50,000. All right, so in the short term, in the next few weeks, we can look for a price target of 90,000 on the bearish side. All right, and on the bullish side, if we break up, 140,000. All right, and on the ultimate bearish side, we got the 50,000. All right. Yeah. All right, but in the immediate short term, guys, let's hope that we can bounce off the $103,000 level if we decide to move on down. All right, now let's go ahead and look at Kaspa. All right, so with Kaspa, guys, you can see that we have this triangle pattern as well on the daily time frame. All right, the breakout targets are 18 cents for the bullish scenario and below 5 cents for the bearish scenario. All right, this is if we break out upwards or downward. All right. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the structure right now. It looks like Kaspa is moving down, but could potentially start moving upwards. All right, now we have a bearish fair value gap in this triangle pattern right here, but we are bouncing off of the 7-cent level like we predicted, and we're retesting this fair value gap, guys. Now let's hope that we can get some type of bullish signal that will say we're going to move back up towards the top of this trend line pattern. All right, but as of right now, we just need to see if we can hold this 7 to 8 cent level. Okay, now let's move to the on the 15-minute time frame, guys. We got a negative fair value gap. Right, so it's possible that we could come down to the 84 cents level or 0.084 level, right? Yeah, but so far, guys, we're looking relatively bearish. All right, so the idea ultimately is to be able to hold at this 7-cent level. All right, if we cannot recover from the bottom of this trend line moving upwards, all right, then we've got a bearish target of 5 cents and below. Now if we do break out to the bottom, let's hope we can bounce, but either way it goes, guys, even if we were to break out, we would still be testing the 7-cent level. It would be the 0.071. all right, so we could break out to that 0.071 one and we'll still be relatively bullish to me. Now moving below the 5 cent level, I would be buying a lot of Kaspa as if we go down, right? But honestly though, I don't think we're gonna break below 5 cents. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see we got a bullish cross, so I think we're gonna continue to move up. I'm just waiting to see a new bullish signal. Let's try this. Let's see what we got. Well, yeah, guys, we got a bullish engulfing candle over here. We also have a doji candle, so we seem to be playing a little bit of tug of war. It's a game of tug of war between the bulls and the bears with Kaspa right now. But I would say right now we actually might be pretty bullish for Kaspa. I would say we have a good chance of moving to the upside of this pattern. All right, we just gotta wait and see. In the meantime, personally, I will be collecting more Kaspa coins. If we do break lower, that'll be a great chance. Excuse me. If we do break lower, that'll be a great chance to buy more Kaspa. Okay. But as of right now, the bearish target is 5 cents. The bullish target is 18 cents. Okay. And on the 4-hour time frame, we're pretty bullish. So yeah, I think we're gonna keep moving up, guys. We'll likely hit the 9 cent level with Kaspa in the upcoming days. We should hit the 9 cent level for Kaspa. All right, now let's hope we can just keep pushing upwards. All right, we're gonna see. Just make sure you guys stay tuned for any more price updates, and if we see any new bullish flags, I will let you guys know. All right, so again, we got 18 cents on the bullish case scenario and 5 cents on the bearish case scenario for Kaspa. Okay. With that being said, guys, I am Crypto Komet. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I done cried for this shit. Might take a life for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a knife for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. I've been stumped out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead, so ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. 30 millions later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram like be gosh. Then I don't do it for the gram.